Guys, Josh here. Today I'm going to be showing you my lighter collection. This one is my rock and roll Zippo. It's the first lighter I ever had. This is my Kiss Zippo. I got that from Pike Lake. And this is my slot Zippo, also from the lake. This is my McLaren Zippo. I got that from a gas station. I also have some Bic lighters here that I got from Shoppers. I have a couple Elvis Presley lighters too. I also have this really cool cell phone lighter. You just press that down and it lights a flame there. It's really cool. And over here I have some of my matches. And here I have my Redbird matches. They're strike anywhere, so it's really fun to use them. But yeah, that's all, guys.